Imagine having this elegant handmade lamp glowing on your desk or next to your bed. Soft, minimal, and almost like a small sculpture. To make this lamp, you'll need tracing paper. I used A3 size sheets, a tiny 3-watt LED bulb, a G9 socket for the bulb. That's it. Super simple. First, we cut the tracing paper into 5 by 5 inch squares. Then we fold each square into modules. These are like small origami elements. After that, we connect all the modules together to create the lamp structure. Next, we install the bulb into the G9 socket. We carefully push it into the opening of the paper lamp, right at the spot where all the modules meet. Be careful, there's high voltage on the bulb and socket. Always handle it safely. Once it's connected, attach it to the power cord and check that everything lights up. Perfect. The lamp turns on. Now we finish closing the structure and adjust everything neatly. And just like that, your lamp is ready. Switch it on and enjoy. In the next video, I'll show you how to make this lamp completely wireless. No cords, total freedom. Subscribe if you want to keep exploring simple, beautiful light together.